everyone, this is Kunjan Bhausinka and my group members are Vanshika Bhavnani and Jayashree Golani, and the project mentors are Yukchaya Galfat, Richa Sharma and Sanjay Mirchandani. Our project topic is detecting influential user and post in online social media. Due to the spread of technology and the World Wide Web, online social media has invaded every home in the world. One of the most interesting fields of study in social network analysis is to identify the influential users and posts in online social networks. A user is said to be an influential user when that user's actions create some impact on its fellow audience. A post is said to be an influential post if its content is most spread in the network. They express and share their point of view on particular and critical topics to their audiences and hereby spread awareness. This project proposes a method on detecting influential users and posts on the basis of hashtag, which will promote such users and posts that will help to spread positive influence on the society. In addition to this, the sentiment of that influential post can be estimated, which further can be either promoted or overlooked. These are the hardware and software tools used for our project implementation. In order to execute the system, this is the stepwise implementation. The first two steps are extraction and processing part. Next is the weight calculation step, which is done using fuzzy AHP method. Then the model construction is done, which calculates the TII, UII and GII values, which is later used to determine the top 5 tweets and users. Later on, the sentiment analysis is performed for the top 5 tweets by building a pipeline of TF-IDF and linear SVC model. These are the list of algorithms used for a project implementation. In order to detect the influentiality, we need to log into the website. This is the home page and the user details can be seen from here. This is the FAQ section, which consists of the most commonly asked questions. In order to detect the influentiality, we need to search for the hashtag, and now we can check for the influential tweets. This table represents the top 5 influential tweets on the basis of the TII values from the highest to the lowest, along with the username of the user who posted that tweet. This is the influential tweet. Moving on to the influential user detection, this table represents the top 5 influential users on the basis of the GII values from the highest to the lowest, along with the user features. This is the influential user. Now, the sentiment analysis of top 5 tweets are displayed here. The statistics part. Here, all the calculated data is presented in the form of graphs. The first is the bar graph, which represents the top 5 tweets, and the height of the bar is the value of the TII. The higher the value of TII, the more influential the tweet is. Next is the pie chart, which represents top 5 users. The shaded region determines the value of the GII. The more shaded region represents the influential user. Coming to the sentiment analysis of top 5 tweets, the height of the bar represents the score value of the emotion depicted by that tweet. The working model implements HMCDM algorithm, which internally uses various different algorithms, and they are analyzed as follows. Due to the increasing use of social media, people are more and more connecting to each other, and it is having both positive and negative influence on the people. Thus, a model is created in which the influential user is identified, who leaves an impact on its target audience, and the source of this impact is also identified, that is the influential post. This identification will help to promote the positive influencers and posts that have positive influence. To measure this impact, sentiment analysis is done, which consists of 5 emotions a post can have. The proposed system can further be extended to recommend the influential users, posts, trending hashtags, etc. Once an influential user is detected, a questionnaire can be sent to the follower's mail to analyze the impact that user has on its fellow audience. These are the references which we have used for the project. Thank you.